I have literally filmed this like 6 times now because I'm dog sitting and these dogs just will not freaking stop and it's driving me insane right now. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a very quick braces update and now I'm probably gonna just like rush through it. I've had my braces on for about 9 months or so and I feel like nothing has really changed too much. I mean, you guys can let me know if you've noticed any changes. At the beginning, there were a lot more things that had changed because I had crowding at the front on my bottom teeth. My top teeth, they were already straight, so I feel like I didn't really notice that much change, but they kind of pointed some stuff out to me because I kept asking. I was like, what's changing? I don't understand because it looks the same to me. They explained it, and like, for example, my canine teeth, they have been moved forward a little bit because before they weren't able to touch my bottom teeth at all. So like now, I should have done that as a test in the beginning. Now I can like fully bite down on my nail or like on a piece of paper, maybe. Let's test it. Yes. That's great. That's fantastic. Oh man. But yeah, so now I can do that and I wasn't able to do that before. So that is something that changed, but it's so minuscule. Like it's not something that I guess I would see when I'm just like looking at my smile every day. As far as like things being uncomfortable, everything that I mentioned in my second video is still accurate. So definitely go and check that out if you haven't watched it because you'll hear what I think about having braces and like my bite being semi-corrected. Like my teeth are straight, so there's more of a gap here. So it's a little bit messier for me. But yeah, technically my bite is more perfect. Now it's just like the jaw adjustment that needs to be made. We did start moving forward in the process, which I was pretty excited about. And when I say moving forward, basically like I just had to get my wisdom teeth out about a month ago and I only got my bottom ones out. I'm keeping my top ones because for some reason I'm missing 2 teeth on the top. I never had any teeth pulled before my wisdom teeth, so I'm a little bit like weirded out about that. So they're keeping them, they're like connected to the braces and everything. I went in for my consultation and he's like, everything's looking really good. I think it's time to get your wisdom teeth out because that space takes about 6 to 9 months to heal, and we want to make sure that the bone is fully healed before they cut into it for the jaw surgery. So that was about a month ago. So I'm assuming within like the next 5 to 8 months, I'll be getting the surgery. I hope on the shorter side, but like I don't think I mentioned it actually. I filmed this so many times that I don't know what I have and haven't said already. I am like so scared for the surgery because like I said, I've been in my braces for about 9 months. Time has gone by so fast. So I'm just like really afraid. Sometimes I'm like, am I gonna regret this? Is this worth it? And I just try to remember that it is gonna be worth it. I like have been wanting to do this for so long. It would be so lame and stupid of me to back out now, so I'm not going to, but like these are the thoughts that are inside my head and I'm just like, what did I get myself into? Like I'm so scared. Genuinely. My wisdom teeth, they were grown out like my normal teeth. They looked pretty much in line with my teeth. The only one that was off was this one. My top teeth are also fully erupted. That's the word. Fully erupted. No, nothing was impacted or anything like that. So it wasn't a difficult surgery. It was literally just like a normal tooth pulling. I had barely any swelling and honestly like I had a really good experience. The hardest part for me was not drinking from straws, honestly. All I drank really was water because I feel like, call me crazy, but I feel like straws make your drink taste better. A little clip of me when I got home from getting my wisdom teeth out, I was sedated.
I can't talk. I just got my bottom wisdom teeth out and I'm bleeding. I'm literally so hungry. I'm starving. I'm so hungry. I don't want to eat pudding. So first of all, everyone was like, girl, you're not even gonna be able to work. You're not gonna be able to talk. You're gonna be knocked out when you get home. I have literally been chilling. I ate 2 cups of pudding. I want tacos for dinner.
They had told me like, you should be good with just laughing gas. And I was like, no, trust me when I say you want to knock me out. It's the best thing because literally, I don't know if I told you guys the story. I think I did. When I was like a kid, I don't know exactly how old, But I went to the dentist and they gave me laughing gas, and that shit did not work at all. I literally bit the pliers shut with my teeth, and they had me strapped down like on a boogie board. I was not having it. They ruined everything regarding like dentistry for me as a child and even as an adult. But I think growing up in society, luckily in this way, made me want to be like, let me fix some stuff, you know? So like I said, I was sedated, and it was honestly like really not a bad experience at all of the nurses were so sweet. Like the one that was talking to me the most, I don't remember her name, I just like had a lot of anxiety, and she was just making me feel good. When they stuck the IV in me, I literally was like hyperventilating because I don't like needles, so it's just really freaking hard. I was sitting there, I started crying. It was a mess. It is what it is. I'm just being real. The total cost of my procedure was $865 on the dot. As of right now, had to pay like $450 or something like that. I'm sure I'll be getting a bill. One of my wisdom teeth, it was $200. The other, it was another $200. Deep sedation for the first 15 minutes was $200. Deep sedation for another 15 minutes was $200, and then $65 for therapeutic IV drugs / multiple for a 50-minute surgery. So yeah, I was knocked out. Like I just remember being there crying and then just like waking up in a different room. Like it wasn't fun, but it wasn't bad. Healing for that took about 2 weeks for me to be able to start feeling comfortable while I'm eating. I think today, oh my gosh, a month, like exactly. I got it on October 5th. The holes are basically 100% closed, and now I feel completely normal eating everything. I didn't have a lot of pain, to be honest. The like ice head wrap that they gave me was really so freaking useful. That made me feel so good, honestly. On October 18th, I went to my orthodontist and I got impressions. And basically what that is they're making molds of my bite to try and do a mock surgery before they do the actual surgery to see if the bite is perfect. If it's not, then they're going to revisit, like, this needs to be changed, this tooth needs to be turned this way or whatever, like that kind of stuff. Pretty crazy, honestly. What if they come back and they're like, you are ready for surgery, we're going to book you? I'm literally gonna have a panic attack. I'm just like so afraid. I've never had such a major surgery before. So, and then we did the x-rays as well, and I think I showed this in my last video too. I asked her this time if she could take a video, a close-up of my teeth, because I was like, because they keep asking me and apparently I'm not doing it right. After they finished doing their impressions, we went ahead and just like put my wires back on and a new power chain. Pretty simple, not much of an update. I don't really have much to say. Time is flying, you guys, so before you know it, I'm gonna be posting an update video that's saying like I'm ready for surgery or something, and it's gonna be like I can't even think about that. I'm so afraid. I'll be okay though. I know I will. Like my mom's gonna be here. I'm asking my brother to come too because he is just a great like energy and person to have around, and like I love him. So I'd love to have him around. And then my neighbor, who was my friend before, is moving back, and he's just moving across the way, so he'll be here too. So I'm feeling pretty confident as far as like help and stuff like that goes. I don't have anything else to update you guys on, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next weekend for another video.